Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Chase here at Rocky Mountain. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I want to show you the latest and greatest little product from Tusk, and that is the titanium sprocket and rotor bolt kits. These are made from Aerospace Titanium, and there's a few reasons why you're going to want titanium bolts. So first of all, the weight savings. These are about 45% lighter than the steel bolts that come on your motorcycle. Another cool thing, look, we all love the look of titanium. These have a nice cool burnt blue finish to them. And the third is going to be the corrosion resistance. Titanium is just much more corrosion resistant than steel, so they're not going to get all old and rusty looking after you've had them on the bike for a while. They wash up and they clean up really nice. And we do recommend that you use a medium thread locker when you get these, but the nice thing is these will come with medium thread locker in the bag. So if you've been trying to get some titanium bolts for your motorcycle, whether you want to save the weight, you just want the cool looks, now is your chance. And these being Tusk, awesome price. So click the link, head to RockyMountainATVMC.com, go get yours today. Don't forget too, the Tusk also does have titanium axle adjuster bolts you can also grab. I use those on my motorcycle. I love them. If you have questions, leave those down below. To make sure, if you're not sure if they'll fit your rotor or sprocket, just enter the year, make, and model of the bike that you have on the product page. You'll be good to go. We ship for free over 75 bucks. If you haven't yet, subscribe to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. Stay up to date on products like this. I am Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.